So this is the one that came off of the Emco. And as you can see, it's thinner there than it is there. So I'm guessing there's a step in here. And I'm guessing there's splines or something that stop this twisting when it's on. It's probably pressed and glued on. I don't know how it's on, to be honest with you. But I'm going to take it over to my hydraulic press and see if I can push it out and see what's what with it. So I've got it on an old bit of a wheel bearing that just about is big enough to get through. Let's see if I can push it out. Starting to go, but I think I ain't got it lined up properly. I should be able to see it a bit better now. That should be a bit better. Right, well, that's him off. Let's see what's in there. So that's what we've got. This is just slightly serrated around here, and that's just turned out, and it's just pressed onto there, and them serrations dig into that, and that's what holds it all together. So make an aluminium one of them and press it back on there. I should have a spare for later on. Got to figure out what the module or DP of these teeth are. If anyone out there knows for sure what they are, let us know. I can work backwards from the diameter and the number of teeth. Anyway, that was just a quick one. For anyone who's got one of these, that's all they're just pressed onto these little serrated edges. Looks like there might have even been a bit of glue or something in there at some time. But it should be relatively easy to make one and press it back on there. So I'll just put this down here. So this, what you can see here, is going to be the basis of, I don't know about my next project, but something I'm going to be doing over the winter. Might look like Ian Matthews has been here doing a bit of scrapping. But this old kid's scooter, I've had these for a very long time. They was my grandchildren's. I was supposed to take them up the tip, but I wanted to get the motors out of them, and I've got the motors and the bits and pieces out of them. What I'm planning on doing, because I've got another one there that I've got to break, strip down, but I'm going to try and make a little golf buggy out of them. I'm going to get some 20mm box and make a frame, and I've got all the running gear and everything out of these. Been collecting some wheels and tyres and things. There's the little drive wheel. I'm going to get the cog off of that. Run it off the motor. I've got the chains and everything. And the motors do work. The batteries were no good. That's what I'd packed up about them. That's why they were going to dump them. They weren't charging up no more. But I've run it on a 24 volt power supply, and the motors work alright. Everything works alright. So I'm going to try and use two of them. If the other one, the pink scooter I just showed you, works. And see if I can make a little golf buggy to cart me around the golf course, because I want to start playing golf again properly. So hopefully in spring I'll have a little golf buggy. But before I do that, I'm going to have to make a bender for the 20mm box section. So I'm going to be setting about that. Probably is going to be my next project, making a bender. Shouldn't be too difficult. And well, I'll let you know how the progress goes on that. and find out what the module of this is, and see if I can either make a new aluminium one, or maybe even get some tough nail and make a tough nail one. Don't know, I'll make a decision on that one. That one ain't urgent anyway. But I reckon they're module 1.5 or so. Anyway, that's about it for now. I'm going to pop indoors, have me dinner, watch a bit of telly and go to bed. And tomorrow I might start on my bender. Right, like I said, it's only a quick one. See you again. Bye for now. Well, I thought I'd sort of ended that video there, and mostly I wanted to get out what happens when you press one of these out, just to let everyone know, anyone who's got one, how to get that out. But anyway, but then started on the bender like I said I was going to do. I was gathering up the bits and pieces. I got this old pin out of a machine, quite good steel on these bits of metal, and I was having a quick look at YouTube like you do, looking at designs and things, and then an advert popped up for a Clark metal bender. So I started having a look at that, but it was about 150 quid, which I didn't really want to spend on one. But then I see some other YouTube videos of people using one of these Clark, Sealy, these Chinese, I think they're all made in China, these benders. And anyway, to cut a long story short, I had a look into it and I found one at that Vida XL. I don't know if you've ever used them. I think they're a Dutch firm, they're in Holland I think. I bought my hydraulic press off them some time ago, and it was a bargain. I've never had any trouble with it, so I've got no problem buying stuff on them. But anyway, they had one on there for 88 quid delivered, and I just don't think I can make one. I mean, obviously I've got this stuff, it ain't going to cost me nothing, but it will take me a day to make it, so I've ordered one. Should be here in 3 or 4 days. So instead of the next planned video, which was going to be me making a metal bender, the next video is probably going to be me unboxing one. It still won't do the square stuff, the box section. I'm still going to have to cut some of this up and make some formers for it, because you need a little pip in the formers. But when the actual bender turns up, I'll get it out, show you it, and make the former and see how we get on with bending the box section. But that is it for now. See you in the next one, which will probably be the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.